Alright, here's game 6. Harsh Elements. I think this is a Skycrag deck. There's a good number of burn. I'm not 100% sure. We have turn 1 Initiate and 3 power. We're obviously not going to play Infused Guardian as the pledge. We're just going to hold it. We have access to 4 power barring removal. Of course, Harsh Elements is very likely to have some sort of a ping. So we have to evaluate what this hand is actually going to look like if this does die. And it is a lot worse, unfortunately. But at the same time, I think this is about the best that we can hope to get compared to an average redraw. I think we're still keeping this, and we just kind of have to hope that Initiate can survive. Pass. Hopefully there's no snowball here. Again, we can attack into 1 power. There's nothing that punishes that. Renegade is fine. Could play either one of these. Sirocco Glider is maybe slightly better if we draw our 1 relic. On the other hand, if one of these were to get permafrosted, for example, I'd rather be the Court Mage. And if we draw power, which is, what is the odds of that? About 1 in 3 of drawing power. 11 power sources left. I'm actually not sure which is really any better. We'll just go with the pledge and attack. Sansari Brigand. A nice little wall, though. We could actually try to attack here. AI can only deal 4 damage back, and obviously push damage and have another wall here. We don't know if they have removal or not, but there's actually not a whole lot of cards that can deal with 5 health in Skycrag in this format. So I actually will go ahead and push the damage. Chip in while we can. Caleb's favor, sure. Island's favor. Alright, there's our 5th power, finally. Fused Guardian isn't going to do a whole lot right now. Going to need to draw more power for it. We're going to want it to be in play, though, when we hit 6 power for Crested Runt. So we will develop it. The AI has like a Obliterate or something. It's fine. Do we attack? I think we do. The worst case scenario again is be removal for Infused Guardian and hitting in for 6. But we're getting in for 4 right now. I think that's worse. We're attacking with at least 1. I want to go with both. Again, I'm pretty confident, even if this does get removed, that we're going to be able to stall out the ground. So I want to just pressure this health total and be able to have Aerial Ace actually do some meaningful work. Now they have 5 attack, and the attacks obviously are no longer good. They go and block with everything. We're only able to kill 2 of the units. So we're going to go ahead and play Ancient Excavator, I think. And just pass. Okay. Doesn't hurt too much. Make a 5/5. Not really good attacks. 3, 4, 5. I'm tempted actually to attack here, just because it starts to clear out some space. Yeah, I think I like attacking here a little bit better than this guy. Simply because 1, endurance units are harder to deal with. 2, it's going to take specifically what would be the blocks? So 3, 2, the 2, 1, and the 1, 1. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we get to kill all 3. Whereas with the 5, it could have 5 health here. It could just be the 3, 2, and the 2, 1. So I like just pushing here, if that makes sense. And yeah, A is doing exactly the 3. I'm fine going to 13, and now they only have 1 blocker to be chumping with. And we're in really good position. Gonna attack with all these guys. Actually, how much damage is that? If they block here... Yeah, I think this is right. I don't think we need an A space yet. And this game's pretty much over. Wisdom. Yeah, see, there's the ping effect. That would have been really, really bad if it had happened on turn 1. Just gonna get in. And that's the game. 6-0, on to the boss fight. See you in a minute.